I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 Uses of a Multi-Tool on tour. On the other side of this wall we've got a shower. The shower has got a problem. It's letting water by on the waste. We've had a look at it from the top. There's no obvious reason why. There must be a problem with the trap underneath. Now, without ripping the bathroom out, I can simply remove the carpet in the hallway, find where the joists are, cut an access panel through. I'm going to use a 63mm rapid wood blade. This will also cut plastic as well. I'm going to cut an access panel, have a good look at what's going on, make any repairs that need to be made, and get it all sorted out. So as soon as we actually lifted this, I could see evidence of water down there. I needed a bit more space to actually make sure it wasn't coming back from the trap on the other side, and it clearly isn't. You can see here that when I actually put my hand underneath this fitting here, there's a little bit of water there, which means that this is probably letting by. What we'll do is we'll strip that out, we'll shut the water off, we'll strip that out, and we'll make sure that those fittings are working properly and make a better job of it. What happens is all this pipe work passes through the building. In this case, they're through the joist, they probably turn, and they're quite tight. And if the water is going through, it's expanding, contracting, you know, the slightest little bit of distortion in one of those fittings could create a little leak like that. So I really do like using a multi-tool for a job like this. It's not like using a circular saw where you could risk cutting into something, or in this case I cut right up to this corner here. You could only get to there with a circular saw. So this is why the advantage of using a tool like this, especially with a wide 63mm blade, you see I've been able to go right up there and the machine's still got plenty of space. I've not cut down into the joist. You can feel it when it goes through the timber into that joist, and I just think that's fabulous. So we're going to get on now, do a plumbing repair, and hopefully see you soon on the 101 Things to Do with a Multi-Tool series with me, Robin Clevitt.